I can actually show forth some of the work that this Mercury will need to undergo. Nothing crazy, nothing major, just a swap. We're gonna need those. We're gonna need that. I need some of those. Guys, first and foremost, major shout out to Best Used Auto Parts in Washington. They definitely made the entire process of me getting an engine very easy. I did casually stumble upon their website because I had messaged them and a few other companies regarding the availability of a Duratec 2.5 liter V6 engine. They were the first ones that messaged me right away. Then they gave me a call, asked for a little bit more information, and I was looking for something with relatively low miles on it. So they did in fact have an engine with 50,000 miles on it. And I asked for warranty. You know, I feel I should never be too shy to ask for warranty. You know, they didn't offer warranty on any of the external parts, but they did offer warranty on the short block, so that was great enough for me. The process took like about a week to verify if they even had the engine in their facility, to make sure if that was the engine that I needed, because they sent me a bunch of pictures. I verified all of that information. They verified that the engine was fine, because, you know, I didn't want to, I would have been so heartbroken if they would have sent it and then something was messed up inside the engine, you know. So I'm glad that wasn't the case. Everything checked out very well, and it took like about a week to get to my house. So thank you guys so much if you're watching this YouTube video. So after I ordered my engine and it was on its way to my house, at some point I convinced myself that I can do the swap without any help, and that I was more than qualified to do so because I had previously removed my FA20 engine from my FRS, and all I really did was research extensively on the matter. So I made sure that I covered every single base A through Z and I properly removed that engine. And with this situation, I was left taking the metro to work. So that was kind of a drag because it's about a 30-mile difference to get to work. Every day I was spending 2.5 hours getting to work, 2.5 hours getting back home. So that took about 5 hours a day. I was working 6 days a week. So about 30 hours a week that I can spend researching extensively on getting this done properly. And I thought, well, what can go wrong, right?